Vaishnavi,
Hello, ma'am.
please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Vaishnavi Manohar. I was a student of Button Grade 10, and I had majorly taken mathematics and science as my subjects.
Okay. Why did you choose button but tutorials?
It was experience for my elder brother. So he had suggested me that this would be a better platform for a good education focused one, and it would also lead to a good grade marks.
Wow, nice. Okay. So, how was your experience during the preparation?
It was absolutely good.
Okay. So, how were the mock exams and tests helpful for you?
It was very helpful where I could understand the concepts and how much I have learned in that mock exams, and I would rectify my mistakes which were there, and I would get better every
Yeah.
next.
Usually used to have chapter wise test followed by unit test, midterm, mock 1, 2, 3, right?
Yeah.
So, how did that give you the confidence to face the board exam?
So the main confidence is that having clarity in the concept, where I would get to know what question or what answer is to be given for that. So that was very helpful actually.
Okay, nice. Yeah, how was your confidence before coming to the but and after preparing over here and getting back to your board exam?
So first, before I joined my confidence level, especially in the main subjects, which is mathematics and science, was very poor because I couldn't understand the concepts clearly. But after I joined my confidence just boosted up.
That's nice.
Where here I could understand the concept very good, so that I had the confidence in me before I could attend the board exam.
Very nice. How did but help with exam center guidance? I mean, how they prepared you for the board exams?
So first thing is that boosting confidence in one. So that was a major part which it affected me. And the next would be that the instructions of do's and don'ts, which have to be in when we go to the examination center, and the major things what we have to carry and how are the procedures over there. So that brought me a clarity about what to do and be perfect.
Okay. So overall, how was your journey with but and but tutorials?
If I want to say in one word, it would be like super facilities.
Nice. How was the teaching style here? If you can take any of the teacher, like how, especially mathematics or the physics or a chemistry or a biology, how they made you the concepts simple, easy, and all.
Okay, so teachers were actually very helpful, and like they would, if a concept is to be teaching, they would go so deep that it would bring a perfect clarity about that particular concept, and it also help for quality answers while writing. And that like whenever we have doubts, so they would clarify it in a better way, and they would also give suggestions how to write a good quality of answers for a better marks.
Wow, that's nice, really nice. And how was your daily routine? I mean, whether you used to follow your own timetable or whether you used to study all the subjects daily, how it was working for you?
So coming to here, as there was a lot of pressure actually. So yes, a timetable must be done to ensure that we are consistent on it. So I did have a timetable, and after coming to I started enlarging my time of studying. So which also helped me in a greater way. So I used to get early in the morning, and I used to start reading and learning. So it was consistency was maintained when I came here.
Okay. How were your doubts handled here?
It was actually where the doubts were handled in a very good way, where the concept, what the question we are asking, it would go like the teacher would understand it correctly, and we would get a correct, clear explanation about what our doubt is, and we would get clarified then.
That's really nice. That's really nice. How
Score good marks. So that environment is actually better, and I think I had a very good environment here.
okay? What changes did you notice after joining our tutorials?
It was a big change where about my boards, but after coming here, I felt satisfied, and it was amazing.
What would be the best thing you received here?
Best thing I would say it is the teaching. Yeah, teaching especially,
Okay.
and the overall system over here. So that would be the major best things.
What did you like the most in But and But tutorials?
The teaching style, and even the teachers also, the way they explain the concepts and everything.
Would you recommend But and But to other students?
Yeah, definitely I would recommend it because it's a peaceful and a better place to learn, and here like we can get easily focused than getting easily distracted.
Okay. So, any message to parents or students for your juniors?
So coming to first parents, so please don't compare your child's marks with any others because they may feel dejected and it would affect their marks. And
For your
coming
juniors?
to juniors, I would say that be consistent and be disciplined so that you can score good marks, and be ready for a bad day because whatever the day may be, you have to at least study for 1 hour.
Yeah.
So that brings continuity in your learning.
Very good, very good, very good.